So I think right now, actually, just because it's February, it's probably, at least in my area, they're pulling out a lot of stuff for spring. So there are a massive amount of baskets at the the fucking thrift store. Just everywhere there was baskets. All of these would be fantastic to be filled with, lettuce and carrots and radishes and stuff like that. So have a check. Oh man, that one there. Oh, I'd love to just hold that off the side and let it sit on my hip. Anyways, so many things that are really good. All of these were like $5. And absolutely no reason to go out and buy something new from, Pier 1 Imports or Walmart or anything like that when there's all these amazing ones. Just get a can of pressed air and spray it out, get the dust out of there, and you're good to go. All these things. Now this thing I actually did buy because I've been wanting one of these for so long. I found one at a thrift store ages ago. I decided not to buy it. 2 days later, it was already gone. Anyways, I'm going to be using that this summer. Keep my pruners in there, get some trowel in the hammer spot. I figured I could put some seed packets in the fronts as I'm planting, keep everything nice and upright. This area here was just like general pottery, but I thought this is also really good just to have some potted plants in here. I like these low ones. So good for like $5 a piece. This next one here, that one is beautiful. I almost bought it. Just think these low ones would be really nice with, say, a snake plant sitting in there. But you can do whatever. You don't even need to drill holes. I next moved over to kind of like this wood area. Again, all sorts of things that aren't necessarily garden stuff, but you can definitely repurpose for a garden, right? So here you could definitely have some stuff in there. I don't know what. You can put whatever if you want.
You can put your weed in there.
You can put some, toilet paper in there for all I care. But the point is, it's something that you can find, you can repurpose. This, I was like, man, look at that. That is excellent for keeping all your seed packets in a row. I found another one that was very similar. I thought, okay, at first I thought, oh, it's nice, it's long, you put your seed packets in there. But then I was like, well, you know what? This design would actually work really well, just anchoring it to an actual wall and having it horizontal like this. And you can have whatever you want in there. These things, again, you don't necessarily have to go to the dollar store to find them. No, you don't need to go to the thrift store to find them. You could build them yourselves. Sometimes, like this one here, you could find something that's, older, maybe had a different purpose at one point, but you'd be able to play with it now. And again, find some sort of new life, new use for it in your gardening area. Other than that, this is simple to build just with some extra little bits of wood. You don't have to pay $5 for that. I was really, really, really hoping that these wouldn't be so expensive over here. I went here because I actually do have a lot of cooking sheets that I use as bottom waterers. I put all my pots in there, get water in the bottom, and it's fantastic. These ones were pretty pricey for my liking, so I don't know if I would recommend these ones anyways. These were like $10 a piece, but you could certainly look around your thrift shop, see if there's anything that works as a bottom watering system. And again, no reason to go buy a piece of crap plastic, right? This thing totally different. It's not something you're gonna find everywhere, but for me, I was like, yeah, this is awesome. Look, it's like an old burlap calendar, but I thought this would be good to organize my seeds and say, you know what? I need to plant these seeds in March and these seeds in April and these seeds in June, these seeds in July. You can kind of have them organized in different little things. But again, it was just a random one. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching. Well, we'll see you next time. What the hell am I going to put in the back here? I mean, I've been talking since the video ran out, so I'm going to have to come up with something. All right, bye.